Hello, everyone. This is going to be a very, very quick lesson because I only have a few minutes today. I was really, really busy. I'm so sorry about that. It's going to be a quick lesson, and this one was requested by Wanderlust on YouTube. So thank you so much for requesting this lesson. I hope you're watching today. We're going to learn how to use end up in English. End up. So what does end up mean? Well, end up means that you reach a place or a condition or a situation that was unexpected or unplanned. Good morning. Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. So we're going to learn how to use end up today, and it's going to be a very, very quick lesson. So if you know how to use end up, please feel free to make some example sentences. Hello, Karen. Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Okay, so it's going to be a quick lesson. End up. So we have the definition here. Okay, end up. End up means to reach a place, condition, or situation that was not planned or unexpected. So you end up somewhere and it is unexpected or unplanned. Okay, so I have 4 really simple examples, and then we can look at your examples too. Okay, so I think this is a very easy lesson, so don't worry. Okay, number 1, the woman ended up getting fired. Oh no, the woman ended up getting fired. So in the end, after some events, unexpectedly and unplanned, she got fired. The woman ended up getting fired. So she didn't plan to get fired, and she probably didn't expect to get fired. But after some events, she ended up getting fired. Okay, very good. So number 2, she doesn't want to end up like her mother. She doesn't want to end up like her mother. So maybe in the future, she doesn't want to unexpectedly become like her mother. So she doesn't want to end up like her mother. She doesn't want to become like her mother. So maybe her mother is not good at talking in front of people, for example. She doesn't want to end up like her mother. So some series of events would make her become like her mother. So she's trying to avoid that. She doesn't want to end up like her mother. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome everyone who's joining. Okay, number 3. He ended up getting married to his high school sweetheart. He ended up getting married to his high school sweetheart. So if you don't know what a high school sweetheart is, a high school sweetheart is someone who you are dating in high school. So usually people don't marry their high school sweethearts. Usually your high school sweetheart is your first love, and it's when you're very young, but you don't tend to see people marrying their high school sweethearts. So it's kind of unexpected. Wow, he ended up marrying his high school sweetheart. Wow. Okay. Very good. And number 4, the last one, it ended up being a great decision. So it was unplanned, but it was a great decision. It ended up being a great decision. So end up, remember, is to reach a place, condition, or situation that was not planned or expected. Okay, so the woman ended up getting fired. Ooh, so that is a situation that was unexpected, unplanned. She doesn't want to end up like her mother. End up like her mother, that would be a situation or maybe condition. He ended up getting married. Wow, to his high school sweetheart. That is a unexpected but good maybe situation. It ended up being a great decision. It ended up being a great decision. Okay? That's a good question. So Ali, let's see if I can put it on the screen. Which one is correct? Get married to or get married with? So we say get married to someone. Get married to someone. We wouldn't say get married with someone. Okay, we date someone, we marry someone, we get married to someone. Okay, very good. So if you guys can make some example sentences with end up, I can put them up. I only have a few more minutes left, so it's a very, very short lesson today. Okay. Very good. So it ended up fluent at English. So usually we wouldn't say it, maybe a person. So I or he, she. So you could say, I ended up being fluent in English. Fluent in English. Very good. Okay. What is the exact meaning of end up? So end up, usually there are some there are some situations or events that happen first, and those result in an unexpected or unplanned result. So she ended up getting fired. That means she did something or something happened, and the unexpected result was getting fired. He dated his high school sweetheart, and maybe for other people, the unexpected result was they got married. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is a good one. I end up improving my English. Very good. So I end up maybe in the future, or you could say I ended up improving my English. Very good. I ended up my overthinking. So for this one, you could say, I ended up overthinking. I ended up overthinking. So I was thinking too much. Okay. So, oh my gosh, I almost have to go. I'll do one more. This is a good one. It ended up getting warmer today. So kind of unexpectedly, right? It ended up getting warmer today. We thought it would be cold all day, but it ended up getting warmer. Okay, so that's all the time I have today. I have another lesson. I was really busy today, so I'm so sorry. I will post a lesson later today on YouTube, so I hope you watch it. And thank you guys so much for joining. I will see you in a few hours over on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.